Hey everyone, I thought I'd check in with you real quick and give you some reminders. Next week you'll be writing the rough draft of your author essay, and I wanted you to pay attention to the tutoring button, which is always at the bottom of your home screen, and remember that those resources are there. You have connections here to the Academic Achievement Center, and they can really help you in writing an essay. You will be workshopping that essay with a peer. I will be giving you video feedback on the rough draft, and then after the workshop and my feedback, you will be turning in the final version of that essay. Remember, I require you to bold or highlight your thesis in the rough draft so I know the thesis that you're working with. Another thing I wanted to remind you about is each week I have reminders for each of you of when your author presentation is due. So you'll see these here in the modules. And remember that you have an opportunity for extra credit each week if you go into discussions, look on the semester presentation board, and comment on your peers' presentations. So you can get extra credit for every one comment you give to a peer, so make sure to take advantage of that extra credit as we go along. As always, I'm here to help you. If you have any questions, please email me. I check my email all day long, so I usually get back to you very quickly, and I hope to talk to you soon this semester.